here are some ideas for keeping some cleaning products in your bathroom so that you're not having to run all over the house to gather up things whenever you want to clean the bathroom. This way, if they're in the bathroom, you're more likely to clean up on a more regular basis. And also I can show you how to keep some toilet paper on hand, which is really easy to get to. So this is a little caddy that I like to call the Quick Fix Tidy Caddy. And what it has in here is things that make your life easier so that cleaning a bathroom is not going to take a big hassle. And so we've got small garbage bags for those little garbage cans in the bathroom. We've got some gloves, and then some little sponges and stuff to clean the inside of sinks so that you can get that toothpaste scum off of there in a jiffy. And then also I like to have some Windex or some product like that close by so that you can always keep the mirrors nice and shiny. And you should always have at least one roll of paper towels in the bathroom. And so you can notice all these things are categorized, such as the toilet paper and paper items, in their own caddies. So that way it makes it easy if there's a spill of soap or some other cleaning product. I can just simply pull things out, clean underneath it, and put it right back, and no harm, no foul.